once again.
So are you ready? Come on, we're going down this way. Tell them why I wasn't recording past the 7 days, or should I? Okay, guys, I haven't been recording for 7 days because I have school problems and a lot of problems at school right now. So I'm sorry if I'm not recording a lot. Only record once a weekend, right? But sorry that you have to wait 7 days. As soon as I get up and start to get more subscribers, I might actually do more videos during the week. So yeah, right now it might look dark for you, right? But for us, we can clearly see what's ahead, right? Well, it was dark there, but now it's not. But so yeah, we're going down here because
our mum said it, so we can't go too far, but there's a broken bed right there.
Yeah. I hate how people dump stuff in here.
Yeah.
So yeah, sorry if I didn't do that Roblox video. It's because I thought that I could connect my phone, not my YouTube phone, to my computer PC one, right? But unfortunately it didn't work, right? So I might try again, right? Yeah, so this is my vlog one, and my PC one is over the gaming one. I just got everything mixed up. So this is actually the gaming one.
Okay, wait. Guys, you can see we are going down a bank, but we can't go too far because I'm a little bit scared because I'm only 7, so
we might be doing a clown video down here, if I haven't said that. So yeah, I'm gonna be the clown, and Charlotte is gonna be vlogging. Unless I'm not the clown, and someone else is. Charlotte, don't eat that. Please don't. Should we head back up, Charlotte? Should we head back up?
No.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, because Mum won't know. Come on, let's head back up.
Okay, we'll head back up. So, yeah. I forgot what I'm saying now.
Yes. So, guys, don't do this at home or in the forest because something might pop out the bushes. You never know. So, we decided to do a scary one, so that's why we're doing it.
Last video, I had unfortunately Charlotte forgot to say please subscribe.
Yeah.
And like the video because she is and comment down below what you want to want us to do. Not many of you guys watch this, but so far I'm pretty sure I got 1 subscriber in like 7 hours, but that was like a couple of days ago, and hopefully I got a couple more subscribers, right? But yeah, if we get about around 25 subscribers, I'll do the clown video. So yeah, now we need to go look for Mum, and we might do another video on the same day. There she is over there. Another video on the same day about what I got for my birthday and what I built for my birthday. So yeah, my mum has started a business, so go check out hers.
Let's head back. We'll go more further.
Let's go. Easy catalog.
Right. Come on, we need to go in the garden. Come on.
Help us build up your business.
Come
Yeah, like what I'm doing, so I can help my mum with the bills.
Hello, guys.
So yeah, okay, I'll go over here. Apparently, I'm not allowed.
We'll go back down there. No, like in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, in a couple of minutes, sorry. But yeah, as I was saying, we're going to vlog in there because they might not like it.
We can't do it because
Charlotte.
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 Come on, let's go.
Charlotte. Was there a car behind me? No. But yeah. Yeah, go check out her thingy. Channel or whatever. No, not channel.
Me.
Catalogue thing.
Catalogue, Lindsay, Inspirations.
Yes.
Some great bargains and fun. Lots of fun. Raffles. Win free bedding.
Oh yeah, I would definitely sign up for that.
Guys.
I would definitely sign up for that.
That's been our latest competition. Someone won a free bedding. And all I had to do was add as many people, like friends and family, to Lindsay's Inspirations on Facebook. And someone won a free bedding of their choice.
Woo!
Yeah.
So yes, you guys can see that we're going up the spinning hill, but this is not the way to ours, right? That's the way.
They know the way.
Straight ahead.
Oh wait, they don't know the way. That way I didn't start the vlog. Because there were crazy fans knocking on our doors.
So
Knock,
yeah,
knock!
we're not going to this house because it has a gate. And we're going the other way.
Charlotte! So Mom, should we go back down to the bankies?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going back down to the bankies. I think we're going back down to the bankies. And yeah, we're going back down to the bankies again, right? So yeah. I'm opening my channel because I'm not helping Mum pay her bills off because I'm just a good of a son like that. I'm putting the shots. So yeah, we're gonna do another video today about what I just about what I got for my birthday on Wednesday, right? So not down that way. There's too many nettles. So yeah, Charlotte, stop it. Stop it. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video about what I got for my birthday, which was on Wednesday. Can't tell you that.
Wednesday.
No, Charlotte, don't tell me. Charlotte, don't tell them my birthday. There could be a crazy person on here. So anyways, right, Charlotte, did you just fart? No, oh my god, she just farted. No way. Did you actually?
Yeah.
Oh, that scared me. So yeah, that's that noise is very creepy.
This is why I haven't been down here.
Charlotte, there's no other way. We've just been over there because that broken bed over there. Can you still remember it?
See? So come on.
So we've just been this way because of the broken bed.
That booty?
No, Charlotte, we're not doing filming your booty. Right, anyways. So yeah, comment down what you should think I should do for my next video, and I'll try to
Give the big thumbs up. Bye, angels. This is my 10th birthday angel is the blank.
rubbish. That's total rubbish. Whoa, what's that? Oh, it's just a twig.
Did you? Did you hear that? One, two.
Right. Anyways,
Ooh. Look at my head.
yeah, I'm running out of ideas what I could do for my videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what to say right now, so I'm sure let's blabber her mouth off now.
So yeah, come on, guys.
Probably we're going down here this way. Well, this is my channel. Without her, pretty sure not many of you would subscribe to my channel. Unless any of you watching this, which will be on public. And I don't know why. Wait, did they actually catch my face in the last video, Charlotte? Did they? See if I can you please, I can't remember, but can you please comment down if Charlotte, if I revealed my face in the next video. But I don't know why I'm revealing first, because I don't want to actually want people to see me, and there's a bloody horse down there, and another one. Wait, I'm trying to zoom in. It's not easy. See that? That's a horse. See over there? That's the other horse. Charlotte, can you remember what happened to my sister, our big sister?
Oh yeah.
She got hit by a horse. Charlotte, you're getting too close to the camera.
Sorry.
Yeah, because I'm way zoomed in. So yeah, I may just go out. We only don't go down to that tree over there. That tree down there. Yeah, I'm wearing a blue clothes. Fantastic. No, not way down there.
Yeah.
We don't go down there. No, where that path just turns, then we don't come back here. All the way back here and go back to that. Okay. Back to where Mom was. So yeah, so far this video is 11 minutes through. Full of blabbering. I'm sorry if my mouth runs so much. No, what the is wrong with you? I don't really have a curse on my mouth. I normally just cut out the swear words normally with my own voice. So when I go, what the I just don't say the F word. I'm talented with that. And why do you want to stroke the horse's shoulder? Lisa, right? If it wasn't for Granda who was down there, right? Lisa could have got killed, do you know that? That's the last time we could have seen her. And wait, actually you wouldn't have never seen Lisa. That would have been devastating because you and Cam would have never seen Lisa. I was about 2? Yep, 3 years before you were born. But yeah, that's as close as we do get to a bloody house. I'm not going any further. And the other one is all the way over there. Sorry if my camera's flared because I'm recording this on the phone. What happened? Oh my god. What happened? Oh, she don't want to run. What happened? What? Oh, mud. Snitch, why? Not your sparkle slippers. Should we go back up, shot? Why is there 2 birds? Yeah, look. Yes, look. 2 mopping birds equals look. 3. Wait. 4. Holy fuck.
What?
5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. What does 5?